I stocked up on my favorite plums during this Nykaa Hot Pink Sale that is going on right now, and I got this amazing 100% cruelty-free and vegan kajal free. So if you want to know more about these products in detail, these are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. And also if you want to know about the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale that is going on right now, please keep on watching. Hi my ethical angels, welcome back to Be Beautiful. If you're new here, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So hit that subscribe button and please don't forget to keep all your notifications on because there are a lot of videos coming up for you guys, the notifications of which you don't want to miss. So first let's see all the Plum products that I got. This is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, and then we have the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter Face Mask, and the third product is their E-Luminence Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. And when you order products more than 999 rupees, you get this Plum 100% vegan kajal free. So the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale offer is 20% off on all the Nykaa products, and when you purchase for more than 999 rupees, you get this amazing vegan kajal free. I'm going to mention all these products down in the description box, and I'm also going to link it to the Nykaa website so that you can check these out while the sale is on right now. And you can also take advantage of all the low prices, discounted prices, and the free products that you're going to get with the products. So make sure you check the description box out and also check out all the links so that you see what kind of discounts you're going to get on all these products. Now let's first see the products which I got from Nykaa. So this is their Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is the last product that I generally use before sleeping. And then I got this Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter Face Mask. So this is how it is. This is a clay kind of a mask, and this really is very beneficial. I'm just going to show you how to use them in a bit. And then I got this E-Luminence Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. And when you get all these things, you will get this Nature Studio Kajal free from Nykaa. So let me just open this up for you. So let's take a look at this kajal. This is Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. It is super black. You can use it as a kajal, you can use it as a liner. It's very smooth to apply. It's a gel based formula and it's 100% vegan, and of course Plum is cruelty free. So this is very easy to apply, very dark. You can see just one stroke has given a very deep line. I usually like to use this as a liner. I really love my eyes with liner. Today I'm not wearing any, but I love to wear this as a kajal. I'm going to show you when I remove my makeup with the cleansing balm next. The kajal in that makeup is Plum Studio Kajal, the one that I already had. This kajal is really smooth and it glides onto your eyes. So I really love that about it. The next product is this E-Luminence Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This is for all skin types. It's a non-drying cleanser. It leaves skin really soft. I'm just going to insert a video of me using this. It melts away the most difficult of makeups very easily. This balm really works like coconut oil or any other oil for me, and it really melts away the toughest of makeups. This contains vitamin E and plant waxes that really make your skin smooth. It really deep cleans the pores and gives a really fresh feeling. I generally massage the balm all over my skin using fingertips, and it really melts out all the makeup and dirt and everything that is there on the face. Then I just rinse it well and use a face wash to wash my face thoroughly, and I pat it dry, and then you can see that there is not even a trace of makeup that is left behind. So there is a spatula included in this box for taking out or scooping out this product, and that is how you can really remain hygienic with products. So I would suggest that you do use the spatula and scoop out the product whenever you're using it. And the next product is this Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter Face Mask. This is a clay based face mask that spreads and washes off easily. It really nourishes and calms the skin. This face mask does the job of reducing and repairing the sun-related skin damage. You have to use this once a week or maximum of once in 5 days, and this is a non-drying clay mask. You will not feel that your skin has dried after using this mask. So just apply a thick layer of this mask all over your face. Avoid your eye and lip area and wait for the mask to dry, or maximum of about 30 minutes. This does give you a tingling sensation, so that is pretty normal. Once it dries completely, just wash off your face. I'm just using a washcloth here. This is a very wet washcloth because I can't do this at the sink right now. Just to show you, I'm doing it here. Otherwise, I do it at the sink generally. So one of my friends, Mia, in my earlier videos had suggested that I use a washcloth instead of a cotton pad or a tissue. So that is something that is completely environment friendly, and I really liked her suggestion. So that is what I'm doing here right now. And once you wash it off, just gently pat dry your skin. Do not rub it with a towel, or do not scrub your face with a dry towel. And the next product that I have here is this Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is a really gel kind of a texture. Let me just show this to you here. This is a very light gel textured moisturizer. This will not give you that heavy feel or very oily kind of moisturization. This moisturizer has argan oil in it, which gives real good hydration without being greasy. This is a non-comedogenic formula, so it does not clog pores. It helps you achieve a very clear and even kind of a skin tone, and this also has glycolic acid in it, so that it gives you that gentle exfoliation and smooth skin. So just wash your face and pat dry. Make sure your face is clean, and then apply this night gel on your face and neck, and you will feel so fresh after applying this. Your skin will really feel fresh and smooth without feeling oily. So those were all the products which I had to show you today, and let me know in the comment section below which Plum products are you going to purchase in this Nykaa Hot Pink Sale. And don't forget to check out the description box, because I have provided all the links to the products that I've mentioned today in this video down in the description box, so you can go directly to the Nykaa website and check these products out, what price they are on, what kind of discounts you're getting, and the free product that you're going to get along with these products. So that's it for today's video. Do give a thumbs up if you liked this video, and also do share this video with your friends and family, and let them know that there is a huge sale going on Nykaa right now, and that they should take advantage of this sale. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week ahead. I will see you again very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.